everyone, in today's video, we will run a quick recap on the entire chapter Chemical Equations and Reactions. The contents are 1. Overview of physical and chemical changes, 2. Overview of writing and balancing chemical equations, 3. Overview of types of chemical reactions, 4. Overview of oxidation and reduction. We will go through all this from video 1, 2, 3, and 4. The overview of physical and chemical changes recap from video 1. First one, what is a physical change? The changes occurring in the physical properties of matter are called physical changes and no new substances is formed. Second, what are chemical change? The change in which the molecular composition is completely altered and a new product is formed is called a chemical change. Third, what are chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a process that leads to the transformation of one set of chemical substances to another. Fourth, what are exothermic reactions? Energy or heat released into the surroundings are called exothermic reactions. Fifth, what are endothermic reactions? Energy or heat absorbed from the surroundings are called endothermic reactions. The overview of writing and balancing chemical equations recap from video 2. First one, what is a chemical equation? A chemical equation is a mathematical representation which symbolizes the product formation from reactants. A plus B gives C. Reactants are substances that start a reaction, here A and B. Products are formed after the reaction has occurred, here C. Second, how to write and balance the equation. Identify the reactants and products, convert to chemical formula by writing the physical states and balancing the equation, wherein the reactant side and the product side it is equal. Third, what is law of conservation of mass? The law of conservation of mass states that mass cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Fourth, what is a balanced equation? A balanced equation is an equation for a chemical reaction in which the number of atoms for each element in the reaction and the total charge is the same for both the reactants and the products. Example, 2 mg plus O2 gives 2 mgo. Here, the reactant side and the product side is balanced. Hence, it is a balanced equation. The overview of types of chemical reactions recap from video 3. First one, what is a combination reaction? A reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product is known as a combination reaction. It takes the form of A plus B yields AB. Second, what is a decomposition reaction? A reaction in which a single compound breaks into two or more simpler compounds is known as a decomposition reaction. It takes the form of AB yields A plus B. Third, what is a single displacement reaction? A chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its aqueous salt solution is called single displacement reaction. It takes the form. Fourth, what is double displacement reaction? A chemical reaction in which ions get exchanged between two reactants which form a new compounds is called a double displacement reaction. It takes the form of AB plus CD yields AD plus BC. Fifth, what is precipitation reaction? A chemical reaction that involves the formation of an insoluble product is called precipitation reaction. Overview of oxidation and reduction recap from video 4. What is oxidation? Oxidation means gaining oxygen in a chemical reaction, loss of hydrogen in a chemical reaction, loss of electrons in a chemical reaction is called oxidation. What is reduction? Losing oxygen in a chemical reaction is called reduction. Gain of hydrogen in a chemical reaction is called reduction. Gain of electrons is reduction. What are redox reactions? In many reactions, oxidation and reduction take place together. While one substance gets oxidized, the other gets reduced. Such reactions are called redox reactions. What is corrosion? Corrosion is defined as the process in which metal with atmospheric moisture and chemicals resulting in the formation of rust. What is rancidity? Rancidity is a condition in which the substance with oil and fats gets oxidized when they are exposed to air. A substance is said to be rancid when there is a change in smell, taste, and okay, children, we have gone through the recap on the entire chapter on chemical equations and reactions. I hope you all understood the complete chapter. Please let us know if you have any doubts. See you soon in the next video. Bye.